Hey guys, so I was asked to provide a little bit of guidance with number 12 from the homework assignment today. So let's take a look at this bad boy. They give you the alphabet here, A, B, C, D, mostly because that's a great way to kind of start. It kind of says, hey, maybe you should start with A and B here. And when you take a look at that, you already know that this line here, right there, and this line here all the way through are parallel to each other. So now you've got a transversal coming across here, right there, parallel line cut by a transversal. So you know that A is going to be equal to 116 degrees. You know then that B is going to be the supplement of that. So you got to figure that out then. What does supplement mean? But it would be the supplement. All right, so this will be 116. Which means alternate interior angles, this will be 116 as well. Alright, so now that sets up A and B, and if we zoom out a little bit again, or just move over now, then you have at 98 degrees, this 98 degrees right here is going to be equal to this, which now you can get D, so that's pretty set. So now you have A, B, and D. We zoom out a little bit here. Coming over this way now, C, that's just, right there. That's parallel line still cut by a transversal. If that transversal is 90, everything around it is 90, which means C is going to be 90 as well. Alright, so that takes care of all that stuff. Now A, B, C, D, let's find E. E's over here by P. That one's not too bad. And if you know what D is, then you know what the angle... Oops, I'm already in. Let me zoom. Then you know this angle, supplementary to D, you know this angle then, right? If you know what D is, then you know this angle. Okay? If you know what A is, which is 116, you know this angle. Correct? So now it's a matter of you've got a 1, 2, 3, 4-sided shape with the angle E, P, and then the two angles down here, supplemental to D and A. That's now a quadrilateral. The sum of those angles equals 360. And E and P are equal to each other. So if we were to call those X, pick a color here, go black. If we call this X and this X because of the same angle, now you have 2X plus whatever this angle is right here, whatever this angle is, equals 360. And then you're just going to solve for X. You should be able to pull that off now. Let's see, what's next here then? That gives you this, and then, oh, check it out. Now if we go to N and M over here, how great is this? You know, that was fun. You know that this angle right here, that one right here, is 90 degrees. So then you would do the same thing you did for the one we just talked about. That's another four-sided shape. These has to have a sum of 360. Alright, so this one's going to have to equal 360. And you know that this angle down here is a 90-degree angle, and then you can figure out N. And once you have N, you could figure out M, because, oh, this is fun now. Now we're just on a roller coaster of easy. So now, once you have N, you would do 360. 360, whoa, how's that handwriting? 360 minus 106. Darn it. Back. Move. Okay. You would do 360 minus the 106 minus whatever N is, and that'll give you M. Boom. And then once you have M, oh, this is just fun now. Once you have M, you can get this angle here because that's 90. And then you can figure out this angle because that's another equals 360 because it's four-sided. Equals 360. How much fun are we having now? Oh, this is just a blast. I'm just opening up everything now. And then you'll have K, which is great because then when you have K, you can get J because then you'd have alternate interior and then the supplement of that. Man, this is just fun. Alright, so cool beans. Oh, and then over here, that's a 5-sided shape. That equals 540 right there. Let me get my pencil out here. Right there, that's going to equal 540. And then you know this angle and this angle. So then you can find F. And once you find F, that's going to be 360 minus 122 minus F will give you G. Oh, this is so much fun. Okay, and then you can find A. It's all open now. I mean, I've really just, yeah, I'm done. You guys got figured out from there. This is so much fun. I love these things. Holy moly. Okay, I hope that helps you. If not, we can go over more of it Friday. Woo! Woo! All right. Bye, guys.